Feeling tired or under the weather? This Filipino chicken soup will instantly comfort you. Let me show you how. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Indoorsy Mom. Today I'm sharing one of the most comforting Filipino dishes, Tinolang Manok. It's light, healthy, and perfect for any day. Start by heating oil in a pot. Saute chopped onions until soft and fragrant. Add garlic and sliced ginger. This is what gives tinola its signature aroma. Add your chicken pieces and cook until lightly browned. Now we add the chicken. Let it sear a bit. Don't rush this part. This builds flavor. Season with salt, pepper, and fish sauce. I'll put the full ingredients and exact measurements in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Flip it to cook the other side. Look at that color. This is exactly what you want. Cover it and let the chicken release its natural juices. After a few minutes, flip again so everything cooks evenly. This is where all the flavor starts coming together. Now pour in water or chicken stock. If you don't have stock, you can use chicken cubes. Cover again and let it cook a bit more to release its natural juices. Add sliced green papaya and cook until slightly soft but not mushy. Then add chili leaves and pechay. Let it cook just until the vegetables are done. And that's it. Simple, comforting, and delicious. And there you have it, your homemade Tinolang Manok. Perfect for rainy days or when you need a warm hug in a bowl. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.